Everyone dreams of their perfect house, right? But what if you could actually see your dream home before building it? Sounds amazing, doesn't it? I've always wanted to visualize mine too, to see exactly how it would look before bringing it to life. I've tried many tools for this, but none of them worked quite right, until now. And finally, I've discovered a free AI tool that's truly a game changer. With the help of this free AI tool, you can easily see how your dream house will look. You just need to upload a simple sketch or plan of your house, and this tool will instantly transform it into a luxurious and modern home design. This tool is a huge time saver. With the help of this tool, you can easily avoid big mistakes before actually building your house. You can clearly see how your rooms, floor, and overall design will look, even before construction starts. It helps you plan everything perfectly and saves you from wasting time, effort, and money later on. So, the amazing tool I'm talking about is called Floor Plan AI. Just go on Google and search for Floor Plan AI, click on the first link that appears, click on it, and you'll directly land on the homepage of the tool. The homepage is very simple and beginner-friendly. Everything is perfectly arranged and easy to understand. No sign-up needed. Here, you will find a lot of AI tools that can help you to build your dream house. Now, simply scroll down, and here you'll find 3 different options: Floor Plan Generator, Floor Plan Editor, and Home Design. So let's start with the Floor Plan Generator. The process is very simple. You'll see a prompt box on your screen. Just enter the prompt according to your own choice. For example, what type of layout you want to create or what kind of house you want to build. You can add any details you like based on your design idea. You can also select the aspect ratio from there. After that, just click on Generate Floor Plan and your image will start generating. Within a few seconds, your new design will be ready, and you'll finally be able to see how your dream house or floor plan will actually look before preparing it in real life. This way, you can clearly decide how your layout will look and what changes you may want to make in your plan. Once your image is ready, you can also download it and use it as a reference during the construction of your house. Now let's try the floor plan editor option. Just click on it. Again, the process is very simple. First, simply upload your picture. From here, you can crop your image and also choose the aspect ratio according to your preference. Once that's done, simply click on Apply. After this, you'll see an Edit Requirements box. Here, you can type the changes you want to make in your floor plan. For example, if you've uploaded a picture of your living room, you can write what changes you want, like adding more plants, changing the furniture, or making any other improvements you have in mind. Once you've entered your edit requirements, just click on Start Editing and Optimization, and your new image will start generating. Within a few seconds, your edited image will be ready. From here, you can easily decide which parts you want to modify, what things you should remove or add in your living room, or how your edited floor plan will look in reality. This tool helps you clearly visualize everything before making any final decisions. All right, guys, now let's try the home design option. Just click on it, and again, the process is very simple. First, upload the photo of your room. After this, in the Room Type section, select the room type according to your image. For example, if you've uploaded a picture of your kitchen, then select Kitchen from the Room Type options. You can design any room type you want, whether it's your kitchen, bedroom, living room, playground, or anything else. You can create the design of anything you imagine. It's totally up to you which option you want to select. Once that's done, move to the Design Style section. Here you'll find a variety of design styles to choose from. You can pick any style you like. For example, we'll select Luxurious. Now, in the additional prompt box, you can also add any extra details you want in your design, like adding new decorations, furniture, or any specific element you want to see in your room. Once everything is done, simply click on Transform Design and your image will start generating. Within a few seconds, your new image will be ready, and you'll be able to see how your room design will actually look. This helps you save a lot of time and make better decisions before making any real changes or construction. You can clearly visualize your dream room before turning it into reality. This tool is really helpful and makes everything super easy. All right, guys, now let's design the gaming room this time. So I've simply uploaded the picture of my room, and after that, in the Room Type section, I've selected Gaming Room. In the design style, I've chosen luxurious, but you can select any style you like. After this, I just clicked on transform design and my image started generating. Within a few seconds, my new image is ready, and just look how perfectly it turned out. It looks so real that I can finally see my dream gaming room in reality, even before actually constructing it. This is really cool and awesome. We can now visualize our dream rooms and dream houses before even building them. It saves a lot of time, effort, and energy, and helps us make the best decisions for our dream spaces. This tool is truly amazing, very helpful, and a complete game changer. With the help of this tool, we can easily decide what changes we should make in our plans, how we should design our dream houses, and how everything should look before actually building it. On this platform, you'll find many incredible AI tools that can really help you and save a lot of your time before making any real changes. You can explore all of them, use their features for free, and design anything you like, just the way you imagine. So guys, I've guided you completely and shown you how powerful and amazing this tool is. It's totally worth trying, it's time-saving, and it truly turns our dreams into reality. I think this is the perfect tool for anyone who wants to design their dream house in the smartest way. So if you find this video helpful, just give it a like and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to share your ideas with us in the comments. Tell us what your dream house looks like. See you in the next video. We'll keep bringing more amazing tools and tutorials for you. Till then, take care, and thanks for watching. Goodbye.